G'day and welcome. In this video we convert this lot into the two wiring looms we need for the twin fuel pump project. Details are next. Okay, let's get straight to it. Now, what form your particular loom will take will depend, of course, whether you locate where you locate your control box. Now, I located mine in the boot, even though I don't have a back seat, simply for the better access that provides. What I do strongly suggest, however, is regardless of where you place a control box, it is to use quality wire and plugs rated to at least 15 amps. I use these IP67 rated harsh environment plugs and sockets for the control box end and Deutsch plugs for the pump connections, the switch and the wiring loom splicing. All of these are easily found and I got mine at JCar, hashtag not sponsored. I started off with a pin out and a wiring diagram that I had drawn up, which included both the pin numbers and the wire colours for each application. And what I mean by that is if the second pump positive wire, for example, was coloured green and it's on pin X at one end of the loom, it will be on the same pin and the same colour at the other end of the loom, and also in the control box, coming out of the control box and going into the second pump. Now, the colours that I used were literally what I had available, so you can do what you please, but the same goes with the pin numbering. However, on the website at www.blackdogmotorsport.com, in the download section there is a copy of the wiring diagram that I used. It's fair to say that watching somebody make a wiring loom isn't exactly riveting entertainment, so I'll just cover a few important points here. Firstly, testing. Do as much continuity testing as you can as you go. If you have a dodgy connection, it's far better to find it now than try and find it later, which leads nicely to my second point, which is the choice of Deutsch plug crimper. The ratchet type crimper and the corresponding crimp type seen here in this video are, well, frankly, garbage. Save yourself the pain and suffering and buy a proper set of Deutsch plug crimpers and stay away from the ratcheting type. That will mean you will have to buy the plugs with the barrel type of crimp, and JCar do not sell these, but Super Cheap do. Hashtag not sponsored. Apart from that, it's just crimp, test, repeat, pretty much. Emphasis on the test part. Righto, when you're done, be sure to cover the completed loom in a suitable protective sheath, secure it out of harm's way, and it's job done. Now when I say job done, be aware this is not a lazy Sunday afternoon job. It's a time-consuming, dead set mission. And when you're done, you don't get a parade and a chest full of medals for your trouble. You have been warned. Righto, well that's it. Wiring diagram is on the website. Next video is the control box build and install. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.